Hello, do you know subtraction number bonds for the number 4? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So, subtraction number bonds. So what that means is what two numbers subtracted, so taken away from each other, equal 4. So you could have a combination like this. 6 take away 2, because together that equals 4. So that's a great one, okay? Or you could have another one like this. You could have 8 take away 4. That's also a great one, because you go 8, if you take away 4, you're left with 4, aren't you? So that's really good, okay? So finally, I'm going to give you one more, and you're going to tell me if this is a number bond for 4. What about 10 take away 7? Is that a number bond for 4? Give you a second. No, it's not, is it? Well done, really good. Because if I have 10 and I get 7, 5, 6, 7. No, I've only got 3 left. So that can't be it, okay? It's a bit too much. So well done. Use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!